Hello friends, it's Mr. F. Today we're going to do some rhythmic ear training, which means that we're going to work on training our ears to hear different rhythms and be able to write them down. Go ahead and grab your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser, and let's get started. Step number one, we're going to work on drawing our music notes. To begin, we're going to draw a circle in the bottom left corner of our whiteboards. Go ahead and pause the video so you can take time to draw your circle. This circle is going to represent our whole note. For the whole note, we say ta. Say it with me, ready, go. Ta, 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 and stop. Everyone say whole note. Whole note. Next step, we're going to draw a line coming up off of that whole note to look like this. Go ahead and pause the video and draw your line up off of the whole note. This music note is going to be called a half note. Everyone say half note. For the half note, we say ta. Say it with me. Ta, 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 and stop. Next step, we're going to turn this half note into a quarter note. To turn this into a quarter note, we simply fill in the circle. So go ahead and fill in the circle. Pause the video to take some time to fill it in. Now for the quarter note, we say ta. Say it with me. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. The next step is we're going to draw another quarter note right next to this quarter note. Draw one more quarter note right next to this quarter note. So yours should look like mine. Two quarter notes right next to each other. Go ahead and pause the video and take time to write another quarter note. And the last step, we're going to connect our quarter notes on the top. Now these are turned into eighth notes. Everyone say eighth notes. For the eighth notes, we say T-T. Say it with me. T-T, 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 stop. Now let's do some of our rhythm cards together with our voices. Remember, quarter notes say ta. Let's do this one together. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. Number two, remember the connected ones say T-T. Ready, let's go. Ta, T-T, ta, T-T, ta, T-T, ta, T-T, ta, T-T, ta, T-T, stop. Next up, remember the ones that are open in the middle say ta-ah. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. Next up, ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, and stop. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. One last example. Ready, let's go. Ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, and stop. I'm gonna choose one of these rhythm cards at random. I'm gonna say it with my voice, and we're gonna practice writing down the rhythm that we heard. We'll do some examples together first. The first step I always make when doing rhythmic ear training is to make lines for each one of the sounds that I hear. So here's an example. If you hear the rhythm, ta, ta, ti, ta, you draw a line for each t sound. So as an example, ta, ta, ti, ta. So each time you hear a unique individual sound, you draw a line. Then the second time you listen to it, you count the lines and make sure that you're accurate. So, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Now, some of them said TT, and the ones that say TT are connected on the top. So when I listen again, or I say it in my head, I'm gonna look at the lines that need to be connected. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, which means that these two need to be connected together. Now let's say it again. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Now I only have one step left, and that's to make the little circles that make them into music notes. So you're gonna make the little circles at the bottom. Now this looks like a rhythm. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And stop. Go ahead and make your rhythm look like mine. Let's do one more example together and then you're all on your own. So remember, the first step, always and forever, even if you know what the music notes are that you heard, draw the lines first before you start making the music notes. I promise you, as this gets more complicated, doing the lines first will always be easier. That way you know how many sounds that you heard and you can be accurate with how many sounds you heard. The next example sounds like this. Ta, ti, ti, ta. So I would draw the lines first. I would say it in my head. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Then I would go back and look to see if I have any TT sounds and connect those lines. So again, it was ta, ti, ti, ta. So I know that these two lines need to be connected together. Now, when I go back and I listen to it, I have one sound that was longer than a quarter note. Let's listen again. Ta, ti, ti, ta. So all I need to do is to fill in the circles. And if it's longer than a quarter note, I leave it open in the middle. So now my example looks like this. I started with a half note, followed by eighth notes, and a quarter note. Let's say this one together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta, and stop. Let's do an example now where you're all on your own. Remember, draw the lines first, connect the ones that say TT, and then do the circles. If it's ta-ah and longer than a quarter note, you're gonna leave it open. All right, now you're all on your own. I'm going to say the example, do the lines first. I'll say it again, connect the ones that say TT, and then the third time that you listen to it, make sure that it's all accurate and fill in the circles of the music notes. The example is ti, ta, ti, ta. Go ahead and pause the video, take a little bit of time to work on drawing the lines, and then play again to hear the example a second time. Here it is the second time. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Go ahead and pause again. Make sure that you connect those music notes on top that say TT. Here it is the third time. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Go ahead and check your answer and then make sure to make the circles for the music notes. When you're ready to see the answer, go ahead and press play on the video again. The answer is, check your work, make sure that your answer matches mine. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Ti, ta, ti, ta, and stop. Let's do another example. Remember, listen first, draw the lines, Listen again, connect the ones on top that say TT. Listen a third time, make sure everything's accurate and draw the circles. The example is T-T-T-T-ta. Go ahead and pause the video. When you're ready to hear it the second time, press play. The third time is T-T-T-T-ta. Go ahead and check your answers and then draw the circles to turn those lines into music notes. When you're ready for the answer, press play on the video again. The answer is T-T-T-T-ta. Make sure that you check your answer and that it matches mine. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. T-T-T-T-ta. 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 And stop. Let's do one last example. Listen first, draw the lines, connect them on top, make the circles. The example is T-T-T-T-T-ta. Pause the video and work on your lines. The second time is T-T-T-T-T-ta. Connect the lines on top that need to be connected. The third time is T-T-T-T-T-ta. Go ahead and check your answers and make the circles. When you're ready to see the answer, press play on the video again. The answer is T-T-T-T-T-ta. Check your answer and make sure that it matches mine. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. T-T-T-T-T-ta. 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 And stop. Awesome job. That's the end of our first rhythmic ear training lesson. We'll see you next time.